Hi guys, today we're doing a video. I'm unboxing the Rayquaza GX pack. I already have it in box, but I did not look at the cards. I know what they are because it says in the pack. Again, first up, yep, these are the two Rayquaza GXs. Yay! One is tinfoil. Tell me which one it is. Yeah. Okay, so these guys back, and then Tapu Koko. Read the stats on this one if you want to know. Yep, next card. Oh yeah, we also have this card pile. I don't even know what that is. Can someone... Oh yeah, and can someone tell me what these things are for? Let me see. Ultra Necrozma. Like... Oh, what is this for? And this GX symbol I'll show you after in the end. Oh yeah, also. Okay, the coin, which is a Rayquaza. So yeah. Pretty nice. Got this 1 hour ago. Yep, this is heavy, kind of. But yep, okay, let's see the first Pokemon. I'm gonna do this professionally. I'm gonna do the method that most people use. Why some of them are mixed? I'm not gonna look at them, but some of them are actually mixed. Okay, so. Yeah, okay. First. Ooh. Volkner. Sorry for the background noises, my dog. Number 2. Pokemon Communication. Blitzel. Grass type energy, leaf energy, whatever you want to call it. Magneton. Rare Candy. Acrobike. Magnemite. Energy. Zapdos. Erica's Hospitality. Switch. Tate and Liza, whatever. Magnezone. Grass Energy, whatever you want to call it. Zeraora. Pokemon Fan Club. Ooh yeah, this is, I'm not sure what it's called, I will check. But it's the electric energy and something else. Another one of these things. Another one. So yeah guys, I'm back. Are these yeah, they're all just gonna be the same. So I have these actually. This is a pretty decent pack to open. Pokemon Communication. I'm just gonna stop saying anything. Wait, are these? Yeah, it's just all the same ones again. Oh, there's only one different one. Nah, I'll just do these quick. Yep, that's all in the pack. So, hope you enjoyed this video. This is just a quick unboxing video, and yes, I'll also show you. Yeah, I believe I showed you this. I'm just gonna. What is this? What is this? And I'm gonna show you the thing I said I'll show you after. This thing. What is this? So yeah, that was quick unboxing. Bye guys. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell down below. Well, up below, whatever you want to call it.